Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a perfect WordPress theme. Choosing a suitable WordPress theme is always been a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. And if you want to make a website for a makeup artist like this video is for you. In this video, we are going to overview a very new theme for makeup artist. This is called Fredia. Fredia is a new theme and it has been developed by SH Theme. SH Themes are elite authors, and this theme got released in just few days back, and one update is also has been done for this theme. This is perfectly a new theme and it is going to give you a unique website for makeup artist. Theme uses Elementor page builder and it is compatible to latest version of WordPress, Elementor, Bootstrap, and all such necessary updates are already here in this theme because it is perfectly new theme and new development. It is fully responsive, mobile friendly. One-click demo importer is here, fully responsive. Elementor page builder, Redux framework is here, and Google Fonts. So some features has been explained here. I am going to add all these links in form of a single link of our website. You can follow the link given in the description of this video to get this theme, and there is hosting plan. You can opt in this theme in a pre-installed manner to start your website quickly. In this video, we are going to make a demo website using Fredia WordPress theme. We will preview the theme options, customization option, and the basic options available with the theme pack. It is going to make your buying decision easier. So let us begin the installation first. After that, we will preview all the options. I have a fresh installation of WordPress that is running 2021 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress installation, that is 5.8.2, and I got the theme pack. This is version 1.0, this being the first release of theme, and the main theme file is here, child theme file is here, licensing, documentation, and export data has been given. To understand the complete feature, we need to install. So let us install the theme. Go to the theme section. Under appearance menu, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose fredia.zip file. Remember, the file name is fredia.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. However, you can opt to choose to upload the theme directly from the WordPress interface, or if you are having direct access, you can upload the theme here as well, or you can use FTP manager as well. So I have chosen to upload directly on the server, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Fredia folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. Okay. So now we can go back to the theme section, and we have Fredia as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Fredia version 1.0. Fredia is a modern, responsive and minimal WordPress theme. It is ideal theme for makeup artist, model, influencer, beauticians, hairdresser, cosmetics store, and all such explanation is here, and it is great. And now we can activate the theme. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features and functionality of the theme. These are the list of plugins and all have been marked as required, so we need to install all the plugins. Let us talk something about the plugins. This theme uses Elementor, Contact Form 7, Classic Editor, Classic Widgets. So in the Gutenberg editor, Classic Editor is here, so you can edit the pages using Classic Editor, or edit with Elementor option will be available after installation. So Fredia Common and Fredia Elementor has been itself developed by the original developer, so it has been pre-packed. One-click demo importer is for importing demo, and it is a single time use plugin. And widget importer and exporter has been also given, just in case we need to import the demo manually. And this is another great plugin, that is maximum WP maximum execution time exceeded. This plugin can be used at any WordPress website. In fact, if your hosting provider does not allow you to increase the maximum execution time at PHP multi PHP INI settings, so this plugin helps in increasing the maximum execution time. This is basically for demo content importer. So these two plugins are made for and being provided for the demo content installation only. Once the demo imported, we can disable and deactivate and even delete these two plugins. So these are not required after the demo import. However, at the initial stage, we have to install all the plugins. So I am choosing to install all plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid an error during the plugin installation process. And if you are ordering the Fredia WordPress theme by following the link given in the description of this video, you can opt to choose the hosting plan along with the pre-installed Fredia WordPress theme, and that will give you the same hosting as we are watching on the screen. And you can see all the plugins got installed within few seconds. This is the beauty of hosting, in fact. And return to plugin installer, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. So I'm activating all the plugins and it got installed in just a second. Now we can go back to the dashboard, and here is some updates, so we can check the updates. So it is Elementor update itself, and so I'm not updating the Elementor. First of all, we need to complete the installation, and now I am looking for the demo import. In fact, since we have installed all the plugins along with the theme, we can check our website look, how it looks. This is being the first look of Fredia, and it is of course without any demo content, and we have to target a demo website like this. So dark and light demo is available in this theme. So these are two demos available in this theme. This is basically made for the purpose, I mean the category, and this is for makeup artist, model or beauty services. So these two demos are available, and we can target any of these demo in this video. So now this is our website as of now, and we have to import the demo content. The demo content importer option is available under the appearance tab. This is called demo import demo data, and this is being the options where we can choose the light or the dark demo. I'm choosing the light one and simply clicking on import demo. I also wish to tell you this theme uses Redux framework, and it is a great combination with Elementor page builder. So this is a technical advantage with this theme. Let us continue and import. These are some plugins that is not required, and now import process has begun. this process may take up to 4 or 5 minutes, so you have to wait with your due patience. And for checking whether import is going perfectly, so we can open the media in new tab, and yes, it is coming. The media files are coming in the demo import, so we can conclude that import is going well. And we can refresh the media page as well. And now to increased, so we can wait here until the demo import is going on. And now we got a message that import is complete within a minute, and congrats, your demo has imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So it is time to refresh this page. Let us check. And wonderful, we got the complete website here along with all images and all elements of the theme. And we can check the inner page as well. So inner page loading is taking time, so I am going to check this why. Okay, so there was a very simple reason. You have, if your inner page is also taking time in loading, just go to the setting and permalinks and select post name and hit on save changes. This might be due to htaccess file, and that is not recognized to this domain or theme. So just save the changes, it will work fine. So it is a very common trick. And now we can see the inner page. This is also beautifully crafted for the purpose, and it is presenting the content in a very professional manner. And this is of course a professional website, and we have got all the components for our website. This is being the, so menus are not here. We can choose to have menu, and we can simply set the menu, and let us check whether we got the menu elements or not. So menu is available, just we need to assign the location, and primary navigation can be chosen here, primary chosen in pages, so we can choose both primary menu here. And if we are using the light or black, so we can check with this. Menu has been assigned, and it should be now, yes. So menus are here, and it is perfect now. The complete website is here. You just need to put your own content, and complete pages are here. So about us page, we can have a look, and the theme is loading very fast, so it is a great advantage, and it is a perfect theme, and it is presenting the content in the desired manner. So I very much like this theme, and I recommend you, if you are making a makeup artist or fashion designer, beauty designer WordPress theme, Beautician, so it is going to be a perfect choice. And now it is time to show you the theme options and the features that we got in this installation. I will tell you only the new things, I mean the additional things that we got in this installation. And now even you can update the Elementor. So installation is complete now, and I am showing you. So services is new in this installation, so we can check the services. These are the services showing the Beautician services, and we can check this, and you can add new services or edit the existing one. So this is being the one of the services, and this is basically service portfolio, and you can add the services from this section. And the rest of things are as common as in WordPress. And so theme options is the next thing which got new, I mean which came with this installation. We can check these options what is given here. So this is being the general setting, and favicon upload logo can be handled from here, and social media can be controlled from here. Blog setting is basic settings for blog area. Service setting, so we provide quality services, and basic text can be edited from here. 404 footer settings, so copyright text can be changed from here. A styling option has been given, so theme main color you can change. It is good that you can handle the theme colors and body font and rest of typography options. Options object, so if you want to show object in Java console object, so you can handle from here. So these are the basic option, and that is enough, I believe. So this is a complete theme, and it is a perfect theme for the purpose it has been made, that is for beauty salons, beauty artists and beauticians. And this can be used easily, and you can start your website in just few hours. In fact, even in an hour you can start your website. And if you are having any question regarding this theme installation or customization, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can follow the link given in the description to get the theme and get directly in touch with me to discuss more about this theme. So okay, so I believe I have shown you each and everything about Fredia WordPress theme that is made for beauty artists, and it is going to be really helpful in taking your buying decision, selecting this theme. And in the next video we are going to meet for exploring another WordPress theme, WordPress plugin or utility or WordPress tip. Let us meet on another video. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.